Hello, everybody. Chris here, and I wanted to give you an update on what happened over the weekend for our game's development. The big news is that we have blown up a game. We took Bounty Hunters, we were playtesting it, and we decided that it wasn't fun. Yeah. It was BJ and myself were playing the game. We got through probably an hour and 15 minutes. We didn't even have an endpoint involved in the game. We were just playing, and I stopped us partway through the play, and I said, "Are you guys even having any fun? Because I'm not." And we discussed what was going on. We figured out that the style of the game was inspired by a high speed, high action, discriminate killing everybody on the board. If you've seen the Minecraft version of Bounty Hunters, that was the inspiration of the game. Also, we were using two mechanics that took a lot of time. So I think what we have is we have three parts that make for interesting gameplay. I think none of them need to be together. Everything needs to be pulled apart, and we need to put it back together again with different parts that we don't know what they are. In this case, we are going to go down the path of calling it VIP, where it's going to be a capture the flag type game. And it's going to use the same board. It's going to use the same basic mechanics of moving around and firing weapons and attacking. But we need to completely redo how the game works, because it's kind of a one versus everybody, but everybody isn't on the same side. You control your own squad. It's that raw. I have to sit down and go through and develop it. But that was the big development from this weekend. We have blown up Bounty Hunters and is now on the bottom of the list. So I have to go through and completely reconstruct what the heck was going on. We also added creep spread to the sheet. It's now number 8 on the list. That's the development video we have going on the channel as well. And we also added Harbormaster to the list. I wanted to go through I don't know why I call it current projects. Let's call this current ideas. I went through the current ideas, and I wanted to get the current project list updated. So with Harbormasters, this is a game where everybody's building a colony, and there are ships that are coming to the big main harbor, and everybody has to send workers to the harbor. Well, you don't know when a ship is arriving, you don't know what goods are on there, except for one player. Every turn there's a main player called the Harbormaster, and the Harbormaster gets to decide what goods are coming. Then the Harbormaster will play some cards to show to the rest. Well, I'm not going to try and describe it, because I haven't even described it that well to Aiden. So basically, there's a boat coming. It has some goods on it. Everybody sends workers. If your workers match the type of goods that have arrived, awesome, you get those goods. When you collect those goods, you bring them back. You get to build buildings, and those buildings will improve your chances of either getting a good from the boat that comes in. It'll improve your standing as a colony. It will improve your standing as the top player, and you get to buy the points. You get to buy what we call them. You get to hire employees, and the employees are the points at the end of the game. The trouble is the reward system is too homogenized across the board to be good. There needs to be some variety in there. So we've play tested it once. It was good. We just have to do updates to how the rewards work, and that's kind of a big thing. So I feel like this will be our next main project, because that's the other big thing we need to do. We need to find a new main project. And going down the list, Mars is, we just have to write a rule book. Priest, write a rule book. Lines arrive, write a rule book. Class election, write a rule book. Pairs, trips, and quads, we have to update the traps, and we have to do another playtest. But that's really close to writing a rule book. What team are you on? That needs some sprucing up. I don't know. I need to look at it again. But Harbormaster, I feel like there's a lot left to do. So that will probably become our new main project. At least I'm talking myself into it as we speak right now. Creep spread, that's the other video we're working on, and that's it for now. So I think Harbormaster will be the thing that I'm going to look at during the week. I don't know if I'll do any videos on it, because a lot of the work has been done off video, and I don't know if I can I'll have to figure that out if I want to do it on video. I probably, in fact, you know what? I won't. I won't do the main project on video because that's something for Aiden and I to discuss, and we only get together once a week, so I can't provide video updates as regularly. So I think I will leave those updates to these little end of the weekend updates whenever I get around to doing them. So yeah, so that's the update on what we've been doing. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.